Okay.
So this Velcro compression bandage comes in 2 pieces. Start at the top. Since we want to protect the Velcro, I'm going to roll that in so it doesn't get caught on anything else. Except for that one. So there's your top piece right there. Do the same with the ankle. Tuck those Velcros in so they don't get caught. And she has these special socks that go on, and we have several more pairs that are clean in bags. We want to have these socks hand washed. Don't put them in the washing machine. So putting it back on, and we wear these during the day only, not at night. The bottom part's pretty self-explanatory. There's a heel section. And these are all numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, top. Thank you, Benny. And you want it to be about an inch from here, so there's an inch of the top part. And these are numbered as well. 1. That's why you want to roll those Velcros over so they don't get caught. 2, 3, 4. And ask her, you don't want to put it on too tight. Ask her if she's comfortable with the level of compression. Yeah, you really want to roll those up when you take them off. 6. And 8. And 9. And 10. And voila, is that tight enough or too tight?
I understand. I'm going to see.
Mhm.
It's a little loose, but not bad.
Okay, I can tighten it up.
Around the foot is
Okay,
kind of loose.
so that's good.
You tell them to turn